Hello, I'm Dr. Philip Fowler with Anti-Aging Northwest. I want to talk to you tonight a little bit about thyroids and how they're diagnosed and how sometimes they're underdiagnosed or misdiagnosed. So early in my career, I had a patient who came to me with a full symptom picture of thyroid deficiency or hypothyroidism, young gal. And all of her testing initially looked normal. Her TSH, which is the standard test, was within normal range, but her symptom picture was completely there. So I ran some further testing, and it was that case that helped me figure out that additional thyroid testing can lead to a very successful case. We were able to help that young lady feel a whole lot better. And after going to lots and lots of seminars and symposiums, I learned that a whole bunch of other doctors were thinking this way as well, Dr. Wilson and lots of other great doctors. So for the last 8 to 10 years, I've been helping people with balance their thyroids, where practitioners who aren't aware of this information have said, no, your thyroid's fine, it must be something else. And one of the, saddest things to see is when they have a thyroid issue and it gets misdiagnosed as unexplained depression, and then they're given an antidepressant, which doesn't really work that well. So what seems to be the problem? To me, I believe the problem is that people are running a TSH and not looking at further testing. Further testing would be a free T3 and a free T4. Those are what really tell us how is the thyroid doing, and then being aware that while it may be within human normal range, if you're on the low end of normal and you've got a symptom picture that matches a hypothyroid case, fatigue, constipation, chilliness, hair loss, brain fog, all those things, if you've got something like that going on and you've got some mildly low normal thyroid labs, it's usually worth a quick 30-day, 90-day trial of thyroid medication, see if it solves the problem, monitor the labs, find out where it is. So if you're someone who's in that position and you'd like to take a closer look at your thyroid, give us a call at Anti-Aging Northwest. Check us out on antiagingnorthwest.com. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.